hate to break it to you, but if you want to be a true real estate investor, you need to learn how to invest no matter what the market is doing. Uncertain times affect all aspects of real estate. Wholesalers will most likely need to dig deeper to find deals and be more spot on with their renovation budgets. House flippers will probably have to get used to not having 10 offers all over asking, and people following the BRRRR method will have a harder time as well as interest rates creep up. All these strategies have one thing in common, and that's a renovation. I don't care what strategy you choose, knowing how to effectively renovate will be key to being successful in this upcoming market cycle. Knowing how to renovate is a recession-proof skill that everyone should know how to do, because think about it, 9 times out of 10, when you find a good deal in real estate, it requires some level of rehab. So focus on learning how to renovate so that you could be ready when opportunities present themselves, so that you could gain experience and build your real estate portfolio.